At George Brown College, we're rolling out a new academic progress report. If your program began in fall 2018 or later, you'll be able to see this new tool as soon as your division goes live. To begin, log into StuView at stuview.georgebrown.ca. Go to the Academic Records menu, then select Academic Progress Report. Be sure to review the information on the landing page, and once you're ready, scroll down and select View Academic Progress Report to continue. This is your new Academic Progress Report, which has a modern, mobile-friendly interface. Use the Links menu in the header to find more information such as frequently asked questions or to contact us if you require assistance. At the top of the page, you'll see some general information including your student ID, current program, division, your term GPA if it's available, credential status, and any holds on your account. After your final semester, you will also see your graduation status listed here. The date your academic progress report was generated is listed below. Your program progress shows the percentage of requirements you have completed or that are currently in progress. You can exclude your in-progress and pre-registered courses from this calculation, if you wish to, by unchecking these boxes and clicking Process to generate a new report. Your overall GPA at George Brown is also displayed here at the top of the screen. This is your cumulative GPA for all courses taken at the college, regardless of the program. Scrolling down, your academic progress report is divided up by semester, beginning with a summary block. In the summary block, you'll see your program GPA, which only includes the required courses for your program. You'll also find your catalog term, which is used to determine your program requirements. Usually, your catalog term is the term in which your program began. You can then view the status of the overall requirements for your program: a red circle for incomplete, a blue semicircle for in progress, a green check mark for completed requirements, and a brown exclamation mark for requirements which are nearly complete. For incomplete requirements, you can see what you're missing by reading the Still Needed message. Scrolling further down, you can view the courses that are required for each semester of your program. Your semester GPA will be listed at the top of each semester block. It will be 0 until at least one course has been graded for the semester. A message in the header will indicate the minimum grades required for your courses. If a requirement is completed, you'll see the course code, your earned grade, as well as the term the course was completed. If a requirement is in progress for the current term, the grade will be listed as CIP, Course in Progress. If you've been approved for a transfer credit, the equivalent course at George Brown will be displayed with a grade of EX, Exemption, or AS, Advanced Standing. Any pre-registered courses will also be shown with a CIP grade. These are courses which you have registered in for an upcoming term. If a requirement is incomplete, you'll see the required course code listed in the Still Needed message. Hover over the course code to view the course title. This icon indicates that the course has a prerequisite. Click on the course code to view a description, any prerequisite courses, and any transfer equivalencies at other institutions will also be listed here. If your program includes general education or liberal studies electives, you will see this requirement listed next. Read the description to understand which categories you need to complete or click through for more information. Below you will see which electives have been applied towards your general education requirement and what is remaining for you to complete. You may see a Courses Not Applied to Credentials section. This shows any courses that are not being used to fulfill your program's requirements. You may also see an Insufficient section. This displays any courses with a non-passing grade or non-credit courses. If you are registered in any courses for this term or for upcoming terms, these will be displayed in the In Progress and Pre-Registered section. Lastly, a notes section will be displayed if your academic division has added a note on your progress report. It will be listed along with the date it was added and the name of the faculty or advisor who entered the note. Once you're done reviewing your new academic progress report, be sure to fully log out of the system. Thank you for watching and best of luck in your studies at George Brown College.